2 hit. Hala, Pambia, ito ang pinakamalakas na manok, pero 2 hit na dito level ng dragon. Grabe guys, ang yung bibiliin ko, grabe. Tingnan nga natin kung hanggang saan dito yung monkey po na hindi tayo dito nagsusulat. Try natin lang guys, no? Alright, tignan natin kung level 2, 1 hit niya pa rin, 1 hit ha. Na 1 hit niya rin dito ang level 2 sa wakas. Eto na, level 3 guys, dalawa pa lang ata dito yung code natin. Ano ba yung code natin dito? Pink, blue, tapos pink, okay. Pink, blue, pink. Ayan na guys, level 3, mawa 1 hit niya kaya at kalahati lang ang natira. Grabe, di niya man lang dito na 1 hit. Okay. Pink, blue, pink, blue. Alright guys, ang ganda ng code natin dito. 4 lang. Ayun guys, level 3 na tayo dito at hindi pa humahaba yung code. Medyo malakas din yung monkey war, pero pag tumataas yung level, humihina na rin yan. Pink, blue, pink, blue. Blue. Alright guys, eto na. 5 na codes. Kaya niya kaya. Tingnan natin hanggang level 5 lang ata tayo dito ah. Pink, blue, pink, blue. Blue, pink. Ayun, wow, wonderful. Hindi na tayo magsusulat. Siyempre, kaunti na lang po. Hanggang level 5, abutin natin yan. Pink, blue, pink, blue, blue, pink, blue, blue. Alright, amazing. This is an amazing attack, pare. Grabe, dalawang kulay na naglalaro ha. Mukhang na-memorize naman natin kahit papaano. Alright guys, isa pa. Level 5, I think hanggang dito na lang. Pink, blue, blue, pink, blue, blue. Ay, wala na. Patay na. Wala na guys. I'm sorry. Green sana yun. Blue tapos green. Ay, ito. Nalito na ako pare. At ayun, wasak ang monkey core. Yun ang nagkaiba pag meron tayo ditong sinusulat at ang mental boom. So yun nga guys, so dito na ulit natin tatapusin ang video na to. Siyempre, bago na naman natin tapusin ang video na to, nagpapasalamat na naman tayo sa mga subscribers at pinapatuloy pa rin sumusuporta. Salamat ulit sa panonood, mga kaloko.
Single brain rot. Small problem, there's 182 of them. So I'm gonna be using the 8 best methods to collect them all. Starting with spawns. It's a new beanie pizza eating. Get in there. Now we have our first brain rot out of 182. Oh my gosh. Alright, we've got a couple more new beanies in here. Now let's just collect this money. And now we can afford a Liddy La. Smack that butt. We're making some good money now, and we're actually up to $1,000. Let's see what else we can afford. We can buy a tin cheese. Yep, a Fluta. Alright, now we're up to 4 brain rots. Not bad, we got the entire first row filled. It looks like we're still not making a whole bunch of money. So I have an idea, and that's the wheel right here. Now for only 49 Robux, I think it's a good investment. And we get a $100,000. I will take that, bro. What can we buy with this now? Oh my gosh, a mythic, a Carvalho Virtuoso. Oh, we cannot afford that. Okay, Trulamero. We can afford a Gangster Futera, Trippy